A regular cab has a single row of seats and single set of doors, one on each side. A regular cab was once the single way to purchase pickups. In most regular cabs, the seat backs almost touch the back part of the cab. This is a work version of a truck and can usually be ordered with manual windows and locks. A regular cab is made for work, not for holding friends and family around. The extended cab started out as a pickup truck with two doors that add extra space behind the front seat and two rear windows. Through evolution, this cab style added rear seating and a set of door. Today, the extended cab is called double cab. The pickup truck has two front doors, rear seating, and two rear doors that all open the same direction like car doors. Usually, the back doors are smaller in weight than the front doors. Crew cab has four full doors that all open the same direction like car doors. Visually, the front and back doors are the same width across crew cab. Crew cab trucks are built to transport more stuff and people. In some circles, these trucks have replaced the standard sedan as the family vehicle. Crew cab pickup trucks, bigger size and powerful engines are unavailable in the four-door sedan world, while still providing the luxury and rear seat legroom that family desire.